Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you are new, where have you been? On this channel I do clothing hauls, wig reviews, black love, and some travel vlogs. So if you like what you see after watching this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. So in today's video, you are getting a 2-in-1. You're getting a 1-month update from Sensationnel's Elite Babe, Curls, Kinks, and Co collection, and you are getting a clothing haul. So I had recorded a video doing this hair, and I was doing like 3 or 4 videos during the day, and I was just exhausted. I don't know what happened, but for some strange reason, I did not do a good job putting this wig on. And it's such an easy unit. All you have to do is literally just plop and go. So I don't know what was on my biscuit, but for some reason it didn't look right. It didn't translate right after when I was in the editing process, and I was like, I'm not posting it, and I don't feel like re-recording it. Yes, if you were a YouTuber, you know my pain, but I was just like, I'm not doing it again. I don't have time. I don't feel like it. So I want to give you guys a quick update. This is day number 2, and I think this hair is so pretty. I don't have anything set up for my vlogging station, so I just wanted to show you really quickly what this unit is looking like. It actually looks better. I took the time to make it lay smoothly, but if you can see, this is my real hair. I did take my edges out, and here is the lace. I like this unit. It's so cute. I will say that this unit does bring a lot of heat to your neck, along with angel face. If you have not checked out my review for that, make sure you guys do that. But yes, it does bring a lot of heat because of the thickness and the texture. So keep that in mind. It's like 86 degrees today, and we're about to go outside, and I'm hot already. And look what I have on. Yes, I'm hot. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. So I have been wearing this unit for about a month now, and I absolutely love it. I want to say I wear it maybe 2 to 3 times a week. I don't wear it every single day. This is after 1 month. There is a little bit of tangling, not too much. You know, if you're just sitting there sitting pretty, you should be good, but there's just a little bit of tangling. I haven't experienced much shedding. There is a little bit, but not a lot. And I just love this unit. It's for everyday wear. How can you go wrong with that? So I did want to just showcase this unit since I am doing a clothing haul, and to give you guys a 1-month update. I would definitely recommend this wig. I have been wearing it in this hot weather, so there's a little bit of heat, but it wasn't too bad. I really do like it. This is also my Zoom call wig. So yes, just wanted to do a quick little update on that. If you've been following my channel, you know that I love doing Shein and Boohoo clothing hauls. I do want to expand to do maybe Pretty Little Thing, Misguided. It's just some of this stuff is a little bit pricey, so I have to buy little by little. With Shein, I can buy stuff in bulk. And for you guys that don't want to pay too much, they do have Afterpay. So usually when I buy from them, I buy like certain things. Like last time I needed lounge clothes for quarantine, so that's what I did. I spent like $200, somewhere around that price. And before that, I just needed like summer clothes in general, so that's what I did before that. But this time around, I ended up buying workout clothes. If you don't know, I am in the process of getting my yoga certification. My husband is on this whole fitness journey. He's on keto. He lost over, how many pounds did you lose, babe?
I lost over 50 pounds. I lost 57 pounds.
He lost 57 pounds so far and is continuing to lose weight and shape his body the way he wants to shape it to. And we're just on this whole health journey. So when I go to the gym, I just honestly, I used to look a hot mess. I didn't have cute clothes, so I said to myself, I need some gym clothes, I need some workout clothes, something that's good, stretchy, movable in to practice yoga and when I want to go to the gym. So I did spend $143 on Shein, and I want to say it was more than that, but you know, you get like a certain percentage off when you spend a certain amount of money. So I want to say I got like 20% off. Yeah, the original price was, okay, the original price was $190, and with the discount it came to $143. That's a good deal to me. So yes, so let's get started. Okay, so this first outfit that we have, it is a zebra print two-piece outfit. I just love the top because it's a one shoulder top. It's so cute, and the bottoms are very, very comfortable and stretchy. Everything that I got from them, I got in the medium. That's a US size 6 in women's. I'm between like a 4 and a 6, more on the 6 side depending on, like, you know, the butt area. But yes, this is so cute. This is giving me some Jane in a Jungle vibes. So I'm showing you a close-up of the material. It is super soft, super stretchy. I honestly love it. I was wearing it around the house the other day, and my husband was eyeballing me up and down. But yes, you can do like different type of stretches in this and not have to worry about the material ripping. It's literally made for working out, and I love it. Okay, so this next blue outfit, you guys know I love me some leopard print. If you've seen my last clothing haul, I got this in pink, so I wanted to try it in a different color. I got it in blue, and it's a two-piece leopard print workout outfit. And the only thing that I don't like is that the straps aren't adjustable. If there are any girls out there with some smaller boobs than mine, you might have a little bit of issues with the straps because they did not adjust, but still cute. It's high-waisted, and I love the way it just looks on your curves. It does make your butt look bigger. And I just love how this is a long crop top. A lot of crop tops are like right under the boot, but this one, you know, it comes down and you can like pull it down to your waist a little bit more. And as you guys can see, I am practicing some yoga in this outfit. Just wanted to give it a little test drive. Yes, I love it. Okay, so as I was just saying previously about crop top stopping right under the boob, this outfit does do that, but it's so cute. I really, really do like this outfit. I wouldn't say it's a workout outfit. I would say this is a cute like little lounge outfit, you know, hanging around the house, or, you know, hanging maybe around a relative's house if you just want to be cute and comfortable. But I don't think it would be considered a workout outfit, because usually when you work out, you don't wear a bra, you wear like a sports bra or something like that. I had on a regular bra with this. Sports bras tend to come down a little longer, so you will see it underneath the boot part. I don't think I would work out in this. I do think it's cute though. And as you guys can see, I am wearing my Arch Fit cooling towel. You wet the towel, you wring it, and you shake it out, and it keeps you cool during your workout. It's great for kids at amusement parks. I'm going on vacation next month, and I'm taking it with me. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys check that out. The link for that is listed below. It is thin, so keep that in mind as well. And yeah, next purple unit I did buy as a set. I think this is so cute. I actually wore this to Kennywood in Pittsburgh. It's an amusement park where you can go, you know, get on rides, things like that. So this is where I wore this outfit too. I had so much fun. It was so lightweight. I didn't sweat or anything. It was a little hot that day. I would say it's like maybe 75 to 80-ish, but I was okay in this, and I love this matching set. I did buy it together, and I bought 3 purple outfits. I didn't realize what I was doing. I don't know. I was just adding stuff to my cart, but yeah. I've been on this whole purple wave lately, and the good part about this outfit is that the bottom of the crop top and the top of the shorts are drawstring, so you can pull it to your liking, which I thought was really cute. And it has pockets. Yes, we love pockets over here. So the next outfit that I'm wearing, if it looks familiar, it is like a 2-piece tie-dye galaxy outfit. It's also high waist, which I love high waist because, you know, we got like mini handles over here, so I'm trying to cover them up, but I like it. The bra does have padding. I don't know, the padding kind of sits up high, like it's up here too, like it's kind of weird. I don't know why the padding's so high up. I guess I could try to pull it down, but it is giving me a, you know, little stiff vibe, so But yes, the material is nice and thick, so that's a plus as well. You can't, like, it's not see-through. And I think that's pretty much it for this one. So this sexy orange tangerine outfit is giving me like Drea Michelle vibes. I feel like this is something she'll be wearing in her like little cute workout videos. I do like this. My only issue is that it's really thin. I mean, I saw my nipples through the outfit, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna save it for at home workout, but I wouldn't recommend wearing a bra with it because of the little cutout. But yeah, the bottoms are actually see-through as well. But I really do like this outfit. I just wish that they would have made the material a little bit thicker. So this next outfit is a two-piece tie-dye outfit. I really like this unit, especially because of the material. This is that like scrunch material that makes your butt look big. All the girls at like these gyms be like posting their little workouts and they're doing like squats and stuff, and it looks like their butt is bigger because they have the little scrunch in the middle. Yeah. That's what I got. But yeah, so it is a scrunch material, and the material is nice and thick, which I do like. So this wouldn't be a clothing haul without a leopard print outfit. You guys know I love me some leopard print. I don't know what it is, but I just love it. So this outfit does look pretty similar to the outfit that I had on earlier with the blue leopard print. The only difference is that the bottoms are long shorts instead of pants, but it's the same material. It feels the same. I still feel the same way with the spaghetti straps. They should have adjustable straps on there for different boob sizes. And yeah, it's cute. I like leopard print. It's still the same. It makes your butt look good. It's high-waisted and it's good for exercising and working out in. It has a stretchy material. Everything's pretty much the same with this one. I really do like it. Okay, so my mom just love this one. I'm guessing it's because of the bra and how it crisscrosses in the front, but this one is really cute. The only issue that I had was that it was really tight. I got it in a size 6/medium, and for some reason the material, it was just extra tight. I don't know what was going on. I'm a high-waisted girl. I love high-waisted, but these were not high-waisted. And you know, it was like showing my handles a little bit. So I wasn't going to add this one in the video, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to add it in there. It is what it is. But I really do like the floral print on this. I like the bra. It's so cute. And I do like the pants. I feel like for me and my body, I want to work on my waist a little bit more before I would feel comfortable wearing this. But it's a really cute workout outfit. And you know, I'm lucky because the bra fit in me. But if there was a bustier woman wearing this, I don't think that it would have fit at all. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking about purchasing it. Think about, you know, your boob size as well. I told you guys for some reason I bought like a bunch of purple outfits. I don't know why, but this is not a matching set. I did buy these two pieces separate. When I clicked on it, I thought it was a two-piece set, but then I realized reading the description that it wasn't. It's two separate pieces, so I did have to, you know, and find the matching pants. But I think this outfit is so cute. I wore it out last night. It was nice and comfy. It was a cool night in New Jersey. My husband and I went to dinner, and I love this outfit. I did get the bottoms in large because I wanted to see how I really feel about baggy pants. If you saw my last video, I was complaining about sweatpants and how I always get a medium, and I feel like, you know, they're a little tight, and I like the baggy feelness of it. So I did get a large, and I don't know how I feel about it. It looked cute with my outfit. I wore my purple Vans with this. It looked so cute, but I don't know how I feel about the super baggy. But then again, I don't know how I feel about the medium because I don't know. I'm just confused. The bottoms did have pockets, and a lot of people saw me out yesterday, and I got lots of compliments. So yes, that is pretty much it, you guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Did you like this 2-in-1, you know, me talking about the wig, giving you some updates after a month of wearing? And how did you feel about this tutorial? Did you like it? What was your favorite outfit? Have you guys been working out during quarantine? What have you guys been doing? I mean, everything's opening back up. You know, y'all president said that we ain't closing back up no more, so things are starting to open up. but I do know a lot of people have been taking this time to either not work out at all or work out. So what have you guys been doing? Let me know in the comments below. Also tell me your favorite outfit, and if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.